Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So today we are shopping for new sneakers, and since I have never worn any Louis Vuitton shoes, I thought I might as well try them out. They're a major luxury brand, started out in Paris designing trunks about 170 years ago. These days, they're also designing men's sneakers. I decided to head out to the Louis Vuitton store at Caesar's Palace Forum Shops, where I usually go shopping. They are actually right next to the Gucci store in front of the Fountain of the Gods. Well, at least I thought it was. It seems this one is a ladies' store. The men's store is around the corner here and much less crowded, I must say. I tried on both the Runaway sneakers and the Rivoli sneakers. But as it happened, they mentioned they just got a brand new pair of limited edition Rivoli sneakers with LV monogram that was released a day ago. So when I saw them, I was sold. They looked pretty awesome, and they mentioned the other shoes will be available later anyway. These ones are seasonal. I bought them while March Madness was happening, so it was super busy at the sports book. Alrighty, let's take a look. It's a nice box. Alrighty, let's take a look inside. Nice big shoe bags. Alright, let's open them up. Ta-da! Nice. Let's put the bag in here. Wow. It. Look at this is really nice. It's a nice little fabric there. Nice little logo here. stitching seems to be high quality here. Cannot detect any defects, at least not yet. It really feels high quality, which it should be, obviously. Interestingly, it's made in Italy. Very soft on the inside, very similar to the Gucci's I'm wearing right now. So this is a little bit more softer. But that could be because I've been wearing those for a while now. Yeah, they look pretty awesome. What do you guys think? Interesting laces with the double colors, black and white. Yeah, I wonder how long I can keep them white. Obviously I will spray some silicone spray on it, or whatever that or that leather spray is. And as I mentioned, hopefully I can keep them white, which is pretty hard. If I look at my Valentinos, for instance, it's so hard to keep them clean. Now the leather is easy to remove, but the sole is a lot harder. So if you have any tips for me there, let me know. Not to mention the older Valentinos that I have that are just plain dirty, and the quality is just poor. How it is, is fading away, those letters, after I would say maybe a year. And then this one, which I bought last year, I mean, that's just poor quality. The color is this is really white, and this is more like, I don't know, taupe, off-white, something like that. But this one is a little bit darker. These are one of my favorite shoes, the Bellies. I've had them for a long time, and you see, they're still white, although the sole is not. But the leather is in much better condition than the Valentinos, in my opinion, or at least compared to this one. And the Valentinos and the Bellies are in the same price range, and this one obviously is not. Take a look what we have here. Yeah, so about 1,000. So yeah, there you go. Let's put them on. Yeah, alright, let's take them out for a little hike. After walking around in them for a few hours, I must say they feel very comfortable. Very similar feel to the Bellies Orianos that I have. They are maybe a little less comfortable than the Gucci Tiger Print sneakers I reviewed earlier, but the sole of these Louis Vuittons is slightly softer, so they make less noise while walking on hard surfaces. But the Louis Vuittons are a tiny bit less bouncy. But overall, still comfortable. And you know, sometimes when you put on shoes, it hurts and they need to form around your feet. In this case, nothing of that. It was comfortable from the moment I put them on. So yeah, there you go. First time Louis Vuitton buyer and satisfied thus far. Let's hope I can keep them white for at least one summer. So yeah, what do you guys think of these shoes? What are your favorite shoes? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.